Market Insight, analyzing sentiment shifts amidst corporate earnings and economic signals. Strictly speaking, Nifty's start in yesterday's trade was good. But sentiments deteriorated as investors lost confidence on reports that RBI called for higher project loan provisioning. Nifty PSU Banks Index tumbled 3.5%. Rec percent PFC 2 slumped around 8% each. Investors were also on edge as Titan tumbled 7% on weak Q4 earnings. MRPL2 dropped 8%. Market attention will continue to be focused on Q4 corporate earnings reports, with highlights for the day glued on Century Textile, Chambal Fertilizer, Delta Corp, Dr. Reddy's Lab, IDFC, IRB, Pidilite, SRF, UBL, Voltas, Global, positive, FII, negative, minus 2,169 CR, DII, positive, plus 781 CR. Sentiment, risky. Market breadth, neutral. Technicals, consolidation. F&O, 22,000 to 23,000 zone. India VIX 16.60, plus 13.54%. Nifty PCR, 30th May, 1.28. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, 0.96. Nifty Outlook, an up and down session is likely. Nifty, CMP to 2443. Support, 22,350 to 22,300. Resistance, 22,600 to 22,700. Range, 22,350 to 22,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 48895. Support, 48,600 to 48,500. Resistance, 49,100 to 49,300. Range, 48,600 to 49,100. Bias, sideways to bullish. Our call of the day suggests Nifty bulls may struggle to gain traction in today's trade as well. The slight pessimism is on backdrop of India VIX, which has jumped to 16.60, the highest closing level since the beginning of March. Honestly speaking, rising VIX dents bulls' enthusiasm. Despite headwinds, we suspect Nifty bulls will regroup on any corrective declines. The biggest silver linings for our stocks markets are: the US economy remains robust. The Fed appears to be finished with rate hikes. Friday's cooler than expected US jobs ideally leaves the door open for a rate cut by the Federal Reserve. Probably, the interest rate cut in the US should happen in September. WTI oil prices depressed below $79 a barrel. Pre-election rally. Continuation of the current regime in the general elections is quite likely. Long story short, volatility shall be the hallmark as the third phase of voting in the elections begins on 7th May. Low voter turnout during phase 1 and 2 is definitely a matter of concern.